It's time for a short dose of RVs. Welcome to the 2025 Zephyr 45FZ, a luxury motorhome that redefines adventure. Step inside and discover a world of comfort and sophistication. The Zephyr boasts a powerful 605 horsepower engine with a 20,000-pound axle, ensuring a smooth and confident ride. Its dual-latch system guarantees security, while the spacious storage compartments provide ample space for your belongings. The interior is adorned with elegant features including handcraft maple cabinetry, polished solid surface countertops, and a luxurious ambiance. Enjoy the comfort of a plush pillow top mattress and relax in this spacious bathroom with dual sinks and a large shower. Experience the convenience of a full wall slide which expands to your living space and provides easy access to the exterior. The Zephyr also features a 2800 watt inverter, a 3000 watt hybrid inverter, allowing you to run your appliances and enjoy off-grid adventures. With its powerful performance, luxurious amenities, and innovative features, the 2025 Zephyr is the ultimate motorhome for those who demand the best. Visit your nearest Tiffin dealer to find out more. Experience the ultimate in overlanding luxury with the RVingWithJoe SX. This isn't just an RV, it's a mobile expedition vehicle built for the most demanding adventures. The SX boasts a robust carbon fiber body, a powerful Duramax diesel engine, and a robust 4x4 system to conquer any terrain. The exterior features a striking design with a durable all-aluminum bumper, Baja design lights, and a 16,000-pound Warren hitch. Inside, discover a world of luxury. The spacious interior features a dedicated dry shower, a well-appointed kitchen, and a comfortable living area with panoramic views. The SX is equipped with a powerful solar system, a robust battery bank, and a 4G LTE system for staying connected wherever the journey takes you. With its unparalleled off-road capabilities, luxurious amenities, and advanced technology, the RVingWithJoe SX is the ultimate vehicle for exploring the world in style. Visit the RVingWithJoe website to learn more about the SX and discover the possibilities of overlanding in ultimate comfort. The 2024 Numar Baystar Sport Class A RV is equipped with everything you need for unforgettable adventures. This video tours floor pan 3014, which is a 30 feet 11 inches coach that includes a full wall slide. The chassis is a Ford F53 gas Class A motorhome chassis with a 7.3-liter V8 engine that provides 350 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque. It also includes heavy-duty sway bars for a smoother ride. The cockpit's designed to comfort and ease of travel. The standard Zera dash includes Apple CarPlay, which allows you to use your phone for navigation on the 10-inch monitor. The monitor also displays side and rear view cameras. The dish radio is paired with a Harman JBL 180-watt sound system, and the driver's seat features optional 6-way power, while the passenger seat includes a manual footrest, a tablet holder, a USB charger. There are also 2 wireless phone chargers in the cockpit and an optional folding table. The cabin includes a Samsung LED TV and an optional Wi-Fi solution to get internet access. One 13,500 BTU Penguin heat pump air conditioner keeps things comfortable inside. You can upgrade this to a 1,500 BTU unit or 2 of the 13.5 BTU units with a 5.5 kilowatt generator. The kitchen includes a handcraft maple hardwood cabinets, a microwave, 3-burner cooktop, and a Norcold refrigerator. The bathroom includes a vanity, linen closet, and a 40-inch by 30-inch shower. The bedroom includes a queen bed with either a smooth top mattress or an optional pillow top mattress. There is also a large lighted shirt wardrobe with dresser drawers and a Samsung LED TV. The exterior offers shade from a carefree traveler side awning with LED strip lighting. Lid basement storage is accessible via top hinge doors. The Baystar Sport is available in 3 exterior graphic styles. Every Baystar Sport features Silver Star Ultra headlights for a brighter driving experience at night. This coach is powered by a 4 kilowatt Onan generator with an optional 5.5 kilowatt generator available. Hey RVers, today we're diving into a 2024 Way Plateau XLT, where quality meets luxury. This isn't just an RV, it's an experience. Built on a Mercedes-Benz diesel chassis, the Plateau XLT offers a smooth and powerful ride. The exterior boasts a sleek design with high-quality materials and thoughtful touches like durable aluminum wheels. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a world of refinement. The interior is meticulously crafted with an attention to detail, from the soft touch surfaces to the high-quality cabinetry. You'll feel a sense of sophistication throughout. The kitchen features an induction cooktop, ample counter space, and generous storage. The bathroom is spacious and thoughtfully designed, with a large shower and plenty of storage for your toiletries. But it's not just about luxury. The Plateau XLT is built for adventure. It comes equipped with 600 amp hours of lithium batteries, 500 watts of solar power, and a 3,000 watt inverter, allowing for extended off-grid adventures. The driving experience is equally impressive. The Mercedes-Benz chassis provides a smooth and comfortable ride, while advanced safety features like lane assist and collision mitigation ensure your peace of mind. The Plateau XLT is more than just a motorhome. It's a statement of style and a gateway to unforgettable adventures. For more information, visit your Way dealer or explore their website. Here are some other RV-related videos.